Hello everyone, this is Faisal Haroon with your weekly performance update for the week ending February 6th, 2026. Earlier in the week, there was a rather strong pullback in the market. However, on Friday, the market rebounded, with our benchmark SPY ending with a decline of 0.2% for the week. Let's dive into how our strategies performed. First, the disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. All investments carry risk of loss. Performance numbers may be hypothetical or based on historical data. You must agree to the terms of service at the link shown on the screen. If you continue to watch, it will be assumed that you do. Starting with ETF Blend 120, it had a solid week with a gain of 0.28%, significantly outperforming the benchmark. Year to date, the strategy is up 1.7% compared to SPY's 1.28%. Over the past year, it has delivered 21.37%, and the 10-year return stands at an impressive 46.75% versus just 15.96% for SPY. ETF Blend 10115 saw a slight pullback this week with a decline of 0.47%. This minor volatility is completely normal. Year to date, the strategy is up 3.76%, well ahead of the benchmark. The one-year return is 32.59%, and over 10 years, it has gained 26.46%, significantly outpacing SPY's 15.96%. Next, ETF Blend 10225 posted a gain of 0.25% for the week, beating the benchmark. It was significantly higher during the week, however, Friday's market action erased some of those gains. This is perfectly normal. We know that the strategy can make money under the right market conditions and preserve capital when it's waiting for those conditions to arise. Year to date, the strategy is down a minor 0.54%, but this is well within normal market fluctuations. The one-year return is 16.98%, and the 10-year performance is exceptional at 58.74% compared to SPY's 15.96%. ETF Blend 10320, our free strategy available to all subscribers, declined 0.3% this week. Year to date, the strategy is up 4.16% versus 1.28% for SPY. The one-year return is a strong 28.82%, and over 10 years, it has delivered 23.38% compared to the benchmark's 15.96%. Moving on to ETF Blend 235, it remained flat for the week, still outperforming the benchmark. Year to date, the strategy is up 3.37%. Over 1 year, it has returned 30.99%, and the 10-year gain stands at 39.54%, well ahead of the benchmark's 15.58%. ETF Blend 340 had an excellent week with a gain of 1.9%, significantly outperforming the benchmark. Year to date, the strategy is up 0.67%. The one-year return is 28.63%, and over 10 years, it has delivered an outstanding 78.22% compared to SPY's 15.96%. Next, ETF Blend 30120 posted the strongest performance this week with an exceptional gain of 5.96%. Year to date, it is up 4.13% versus 1.28% for SPY. The one-year return is 19.46%, and the 10-year performance is remarkable at 97.12%, far exceeding the benchmark's 15.96%. Lastly, ETF Blend 30225 experienced a pullback this week with a decline of 0.92%. Short-term volatility like this is normal, and we expect the strategy to recover as it has consistently done. Year to date, it is up 3.39%. The one-year return is an impressive 44.16%, and over 10 years, it has gained 79.8% compared to just 15.58% for SPY. What a fantastic week for our subscribers. Remember, these strategies are designed for long-term wealth building, not short-term trading. If you found this update valuable, please share it with your friends and family at Zehnlabs.com. Markets will always have their ups and downs, but staying invested and focused on the long term is what builds real wealth. Thank you for your continued trust and confidence, and I'll see you again next week.